Hey, it's Jory. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very quick, easy cocktail that you can make right before kickoff. So let's make a Smirnoff Lemon Soda. Step one is to fill your glass with ice. Then we're going to add 1.5 ounces of Smirnoff Vodka. And we're going to pour that right into the glass. Then we're going to add 4 ounces of lemonade. Then we're going to top that up with 2 ounces of soda. We're going to garnish that with a little lemon wheel. Put that right on the side of the glass. So there we have the Smirnoff Lemon Soda. Incredibly easy to make, light and refreshing. You can make a whole round for all of your friends before kickoff starts. As always, you can grab your Smirnoff at your local BCL.